So this class achọrọ ka onye ọbụla na-asụ Igbo na ya. Achọrọ m ka unu ncha bido gụọ egwu ndị nne na nna. Tata ihe anyị nwere ime aga m agwa unu. Abụ m Kunet Ogochukwu Ọhaya. So ihe a intermediate class. Today anyị ga-eme review. Imegharị ihe ndị anyị mere mbụ. So onye ọbụla ga-enye anyị okwu. Everybody will make a sentence. I'll give you a word, and then you use that word to make a sentence. Or I can also make a sentence and tell you to tell me what it is. You have to respond to me in a negative way, not in a positive way. So we did auxiliary participle and infinitive. So those things, we are going to put it in a negative form. So I will tell you something, you tell me what it is in Igbo, and then you make a sentence. Everybody will have to participate. That is the only way we learn it, okay? So, but before we can go forward, I will need you all to sing the Subana Asụsụ Igbo, the song, Egwu Ndị Nne na Nna. Ndị Nne na Nna, anyị na-arịọ unu, Subana Asụsụ Igbo, ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ, ikwu n'ibe anyị. Anyị na-arịọ unu, Subana Asụsụ Igbo, ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ, jisie n'ike, jisie n'ike, sụba Igbo, ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ, jisie n'ike, jisie n'ike, sụba Igbo, ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ. Ngwa ugbu a achọrọ m ka onye ọbụla gụọ ya. Achọrọ m ka onye ọbụla gụọrọ anyị egwu ndị nne na nna. Achọrọ m ka onye ọbụla bido. 1, 2, go.
Anyị na-arịọ unu, sụba asụsụ Igbo, ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ.
Do I have only 1 or 2 people in this class? Can we sing the song, please? I don't have only 1 person in this class. Can we sing the song, please, everybody? Wow, this is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Okay, I can't believe you guys. Wow, that is unbelievable. Okay, so you guys cannot sing these songs. Everybody, you have to sing this song and then record yourself and forward to the forum. Forward it to the intermediate forum. You all need to sing it. Everybody, you have to, please. We all need to sing this song. We have to. We have to, everybody. Okay, so I'm about to share a screen with you guys. And let's start the class. Some of you didn't finish your homework. I don't know what happened, but please, mee ihe kwesịrị ime gị send ya gị zitere m ya. Okay, tata anyị ga-eme more of interactive. We have to be interactive. So I'm going to give you a word, or I can say something, and I want you to tell me what I said. And then I want you to answer me that question in a negative form, not in a positive form. Remember, we did auxiliary, participles, and infinitive. So right now we need to put them into practice by interacting, because I need to hear you use the word. I need to hear you say something. And then after that, I'm going to give everybody opportunity to ask questions and tell me what you want to learn. Word or some words you would like to know how to say them, or how you know what it means. So we're going to do that. This class we have to be more interactive. Okay, so I want to make sure that you're seeing the screen that I'm trying to share here. Let me get it down. Okay, the first word that I'm going to use here, I'm going to say, and I would like Uche to answer this question. Uche, ebe ka ị gara? A is referring to you. Ebe ka ị, which is you, gara. Ebe ka ị gara. So Uche, gịnị ka m kwuru? Gịnị ka ọ pụtara? Gịnị ka ebe ka ị gara pụtara? And before you answer, don't forget, kọwaa onwe gị. Kọwaa onwe gị means introduce yourself. So kwuo aha gị. Ikwu aha gị, then gị zaza ihe m jụrụ gị. You say your name and then you answer the question. Uche ọ nọ ebe a?
Aha, Mbu, Uche.
Okay. Gịnị bụ Uche? Tell me what it means in English. Gịnị Uche, ebe ka ị gara?
Is that where?
If you don't know it, say, tell me, amagimia. If you know it, then answer the question. But if you don't know it, say amagimia. Amagimia means I don't know it.
I know it. Is it where are we going?
I didn't say we. Remember I mentioned your name? And
I said, where am I going?
Uche, ebe ka ị gara?
So it'll be Uche, where are we? Where am I going?
No, Uche, where did you go?
Oh, where did I go?
Yeah, it means Uche, where did you go? So it means ebe ka ị gara. So Uche, where did you go? Okay, Uche, answer me in a negative form. Or all I want, okay, tell me Uche, answer me in Igbo. I didn't go anywhere.
Ahubugi.
I didn't go anywhere.
Ahubugi ka gara.
Ọzọ? Onye ọzọ?
Abugi.
Okay. This is what you're going to say. Agaghị m. You can say agaghị m ebe ọbụla. Agaghị m. Remember GHIs when you're trying to tell me you didn't do something or you don't know something. You didn't. That's the negative form of it, okay? Agaghị m, and the M is referring to you. Remember, agaghị m ebe ọbụla. We're going to punctuate the O and the U. Agaghị m ebe ọbụla, or onweghị ebe m gara, so aga m ede ya ụzọ abụọ. Agaghị m ebe ọbụla maọbụ onweghị ebe m gara. All right, so you can say agaghị m ebe ọbụla maọbụ onweghị ebe m gara. Let me get it down. Okay. Onweghị, onweghị, onweghị. Ebe, you see that? Onweghị ebe m gara. See that? Agaghị m ebe ọbụla. Or you can say, onweghị ebe m gara. Your mom or your dad or sibling, anybody can ask your friend, where did you go? Ebee ka ị gara? Ebee ka ị gara? Then agaghị m ebe ọbụla. Okay? So I want us to put this in a negative way. I didn't do this. I didn't do that. Okay. I got him. Barbara, let us punctuate the O and the U. Remember, this will help you how to pronounce something, the sound. If you don't do this, then it might miss the sound. So, ọ bụrụ na itinyeghị kpọm n'okpuru ebe o kwesịrị ịnọ, then ị nwere ọ wụzie na ịchọ ikwu okwu, ị gaghị ekwu ya ofuma. So we need to punctuate it to allow us say it, pronounce it well. Agaghị m ebe ọbụla. Okay, now I'm going to say this. Number one, which is number one? Okay, Ikenna. Kedu ebe efere nọ? Ikenna. Kedu ebe afere nọ? So Ikenna, gịnị ka m kwuru?
You said.
No, don't forget. Ikenna, kọwaa onwe gị. Kọwaa onwe gị.
Afa m bụ Ryan Ohio.
Afọ Igbo gị ka m chọrọ. Afa m bụ Ikenna. Kwuo afa m bụ Ikenna.
Afa m bụ Ikenna.
So gịnị ka m kwuru? Gịnị ka m jụrụ gị ebe a?
Where is the plate?
Good. Where is the plate? Okay. Now I need you to tell me. I don't know where it is.
Wagi ebe efere nọ.
Kwuo ya ọzọ.
Wagi.
No. Remember, you are telling me that you don't know. How do you say? I don't know where it is. So you have to tell me.
Amagam.
Good.
Efere nọ.
Ọzọ, kwuo ya ọzọ.
Amagam ebe efere nọ.
Good job. Good job. I don't know where it is. Okay, means amaghị m ebe afere nọ. So we got it. Amaghị m ebe afere nọ. All right. Okay, Blessing. Blessing, aga m asị gị. Ejike ọ bịara ebe a taa? Okay, so Blessing ga-aza anyị. Ejike. It means this person. Ejike ọ bịara ebe a taa. It means did Ejike come? Okay. Well. Okay. I already gave you the answer, so I'm going to rephrase it again. Okay, so Ejike ọnọ ya? Ejike ọnọ ya? Okay, Blessing. Ịkọwa onwe gị kwuo ihe m kwuru n'Igbo. Kọwara anyị ihe ọ pụtara. Ejike ọnọ ya? Okay, so to help you, let me help you a little bit. Ejike ọnọ na ụlọ? Ọnọ na ụlọ. Okay, Blessing, gwa anyị ihe m kwuru.
So,
Blessing, kọwaa onwe gị, gwa anyị aha gị. Just try. Try means nwa okay. Just try, you know. I need everybody to say something.
What is that? Like
Ejike ọnọ na ụlọ.
So does ulo mean house?
There you go. Yes. And you know
So-
educate is somebody. Ọ nọ na ụlọ. Remember, your mom or your dad will come in and say, Uchechi, no, Ezinne, Uche, or no. What do you think your father asks you?
Someone is at the house.
No.
This person.
Oh, no, remember, it's a question, but what you said is not a question. Think about it. Ejike, remember, no. But you said someone is in the house. That's not a question. But this is a question. If I come and say, I go home, I'm your mother, I'm your mother, and I got home, and I say, Blessing, Collins, no.
Who is at the house?
No, it means, is Collins at home?
Oh.
No. So it's like, I was asking you, okay, is Collins at home? That's what it is, okay? Now, I will need you to answer me. No, he is not at home. That's what you're going to answer me now. Or you can use educate, or you can say he. You can use the preposition, okay, pronoun, to answer me any way you want to answer. So now you know what we said here. Is educate at home?
Okay.
Just answer me in a negative form. No, Ejike is not at home.
Okay.
Try your best, just try.
So, Mba.
Good.
Ejike. Oh no, now ulo. No,
remember GHI. This time it's not gonna be honor. So you're trying to tell me, because if you want to tell me that Ejike is at home, you will say, Ejike no na ulo. Now, but you're trying to tell me, no, that Ejike is not at home. So you started it well by saying Mba. Good. Go on.
So I can say educate, right?
You can say educate, or you can say, since educate is a male name, you can say he, but it's okay to say Mba. Educate, tell me it's not at home. Say it in Igbo. Just try, because you started it well. Go on.
Mba, educate. Now
Mba. No, okay, so this is the negative for Mba. Ejike, okay, Ejike, anoge. Remember, we tried to say that he's not at home. Mba, Ejike, anoge, and then that GHI is signifying that this person is not home. Anoge, when you say anom ya, it means I'm home. When you say anogem ya, it means you are not home. You see that? So, but you tried. That's good. Mba, Ejike, anoge, na, olo. You see that? So that's how you put it. Okay, but good job. You tried. Collins. I believe Collins is here. Collins, in ebe.
Yeah.
Let you say yeah. How do you say yeah na Igbo? You can say anom ya. When I say in ebe, you say anom ya. That's the complete sentence. Anom ya. It means yes, I am here. Okay. All right. So we go to Collins now. Collins, your own will be kedu ka mama gị mere tata? Can say taa. Kedu ka mama gị mere taa? So first of all, you have to introduce yourself. Kowa onwe gị means introduce yourself I keep stressing English and Igbo so that you know what it is. But I want you to start using the words. Start saying it. And that's how you get used to saying the Igbo part of it, okay? So what you need to do here now, tell me what I said, but first of all, introduce yourself. Miss Kowa Onwege. You just say Abum Chukwode, or you can say Ahambo Chukwode. So go ahead.
Ahambo Chukwude.
Okay, ngwa Chukwude. Zani, ihe gịnị ka ọ pụtara ịsị, kedu ka mama gị mere taa? Tell me what I said.
How is your mother today?
Good job. How is your mother today? That's good. Thank you, Collins. But aga m na-akpọ gị aha Igbo gị Chukwudi, okay? How is your mother today? Okay, Chukwudi, answer me in a negative form. My mother is not well.
All right. Let me see.
Okay, so answer me.
Okay, so nem
Good.
madagi.
Kwuo ya ọzọ. Kwuo ya ọzọ.
What?
Say it again means kwuo ya ọzọ. When you hear me say kwuo ya ọzọ, it means say it again.
Nemagichagi.
Finish it now.
Finish it?
Yeah, you did very well. I'm looking for one word to finish it. Say nem adichage. What? I'm looking for a word. Nem adichage what?
Ma.
Yay! That's the one I'm looking for. Good job, Chukwudi. Imerenkoma. Good job means Imerenkoma. Yes. That's wonderful. Okay. Good job, Chukwudi. Okay. Nem adi. There are two ways. I like the way Chukwudi puts it because that's in his dialect. Nem adi cha gi mma. Nem adi cha gi mma. Or you can say nem adịghị mma. See that? Adịghị mma. So, but he said it correctly. So I love the way you put it. Nem adịchaghị mma. Wonderful. Okay. Kedu onye ọzọ nọ ebe a? Ka m ahụ ndị mụ na ha nọ ebe a. Kelechi, this one for you. Kelechi, ị gara ụka taa? Ị gara. I'll say Kelechi. Ị gara. Okay, let me just start with ị gara. He is referring to you. Ị gara ụka taa. Okay, Kelechi, kọwaa onwe gị, ịgwa m ihe m kwuru n'Igbo.
Afọ bụ Kelechi Ohio.
Kelechi, kwụsie okwu ike ka onye ọbụla anụ gị.
Afọ bụ Kelechi Ohio.
Okay. Gịnị ka m kwuru?
You said, did you go to church today?
Kelechi, kwụsie okwu ike ka ndị mmadụ n'ihe ị na-ekwu.
You said, did you go to church today?
Okay, good. Kelechi kwutere ya. Ị gara ụka taa? Ụka means church. Did you go to church today? So next time, at least when you see the word Oka, you know what it is. Please, we need to return, carry over. That's why I want us to be making these sentences. Some of the daily phrases, Igbo phrases that we use. So we need to be more interactive because I want you to learn to, not just trying to understand it or maybe hear it and understand, but as well to know how to say the words. Don't even shy away, please. I don't care whether you're saying it right. That's why we're doing this class. Then I correct you. Then next time you know it. You say it in the house, maybe mommy and dad, they will be laughing. It doesn't matter. They're not laughing at you, but maybe the way you are saying it is that, remember sometimes when we say something, sometimes Americans say, oh, you have accent. Yes, I have accent to them. To them, they have accent to me. It doesn't matter. That doesn't mean I should stop talking. So don't shy away. Say it to me. Say it to anybody. Say it to your parents. At home, use it. Play with it. Joke with it. That is the only way you can learn it. If you keep saying, oh, I don't know, they're going to laugh at me. No, 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 no. You won't be able to. It would be nice if you can say it. Look, when I go to grocery or on the road, go to the to my kids' school to pick them up, I see these Spanish little boys and girls. They can speak English and they can speak their language as well. So it's because their parents, they speak it at home. But now you're taking the class. I know, yeah, some we parents, sometimes we don't speak it at home. But now you're taking the class, speak it at home. When they don't speak, when they do not speak English, tell them, please, Soram Igbo. Soram Igbo. If they don't speak Igbo to you, Soram Yana Igbo. Say it in Igbo to me. That way you learn it. And that's the way to learn it. So feel free, make the sentence, and then I'm gonna give you space to ask question, but I need to ask, I think I have 3 more people to ask question. Okay, Egara Okata, did you go to church today? Okay, Kelechi, Zaziam Sim, oh, no, I didn't go to church today.
Let me say that, Igbo.
Uh-huh.
Mba, I'm gara ụka taa.
Achọrọ m ka ikwusi okwu ige.
Mba, I'm gara ụka taa.
No, remember what we're trying to put here. That's what I'm looking for. Mba. How do you refer to yourself? Remember that I'm looking for a letter that starts it, referring to yourself. Mba. Mba.
Mba, ị gara ụka taa.
No, you're telling me that you did not go to church. So how do you refer to yourself? You either refer to yourself with A or E. So mba, what?
E, what?
Kelechi. Okay, this is what you say. Mba. Agagem, agagem, mba. You have to use it. Agagem. A is referring to you. Agagem. Oka. Ta. You can also say tata. It is the same thing. Mba. Agagem. Oka. Ta. Or tata. So the oka, I get in your bomb. Remember, say bomb, potara, period. We're going to put the bomb underneath. Okay, I get in your bomb no buru you. Okburu means underneath, okay? All right. So Uchenna. Uchenna Kawu for you. Onye no. Onye na ebe akwa. Onye na ebe akwa. Uche nọ n'ebe ahụ. Ịkọwa onwe gị eza m ihe m kwuru na English. Uche nọ ya? Ee, anọ m ebe a. Ị nwere ike ikwuo ya Uchenna?
Anọ m ebe a.
Okay, ngwa za m ihe m kwuru. Ịkọwa gwa anyị afa gị.
Afa m bụ Uchenna.
Okay, Uchenna, gịnị ka m kwuru? Gịnị bụ onye na ebe akwa? Uchenna, onye na-ebe akwa? O nwere onye ma ya ga-enyere Uchenna aka ebe Uchenna na-ama ihe bụ onye na-ebe akwa. Gịnị wụ ibe akwa? Uchenna, ngwa gwa anyị afa gị, gwa anyị ha.
Afa m bụ Flying or
No,
hiding?
Ikenna. Achọrọ m aha Igbo gị. Aha m bụ Ikenna.
Afa m bụ Ikenna.
Gịnị ka onye na-ebe akwa pụtara?
Who is crying?
Good job. Who is crying? Now, I would like you, Uchenna, to tell me, onwegi onye na-ebe akwa. Onwegi onye na-ebe akwa. So, that's, I already gave you the answer anyway. So, tell me, okay, Blessing is the one crying, Uchenna. Uchenna nọ n'ebe ahụ. Okay. Anọ m ebe a, achọrọ nke ikwuo ya. Achọrọ nke ikwuo anọ m ebe a. Uchenna, achọrọ nke ikwuo anọ m ebe a.
I don't know.
Uchenna, can you repeat what I said? Anọ m ebe a.
Anọ m ebe a.
So, ị nweghị ike ịza m ihe m jụrụ gị ọ ya? Okay. O nweghị
No.
onye na-ebe akwa. Okay. Let me see who else do we have here. Blessing said, Colin said, Ify. Who is Ife? Is it Ezinne?
Ifenlota.
Ifenlota. Aha, you're hiding. Aha. There you go. Okay, Ifenlota. Kedu ihe Ifenlota isiri nri ụnyaahụ? Now tell me, what did I say? Isiri nri ụnyaahụ. Isiri. I is referring to you. Isiri. Nri anyasị ụnyaahụ. Ifenlota, gịnị ka m kwuru?
Did you cook food yesterday?
Ifenlota, kọwaa onwe gị before gị ịza ihe m jụrụ gị. Don't forget.
Afambo Ifenlota. Did you cook food yesterday?
No, remember I put something there. Isiri nri anyasị ụnyaahụ. That word anyasị, you need to include it. Gịnị bụ anyasị, Ifenlota? Ị ma ya ka ọ na-emaghị ya?
No.
Ifenlota, okay, anyasị means, it means, remember when you say, okay, when you're trying to say mgbede ọma, anyasị ọma, I thought we did all this. When I say mgbede ọma, anyasị ọma. Isiri nri anyasị ụnyaahụ means, did you cook evening or supper? That's what it is. That's supper. Ụnyaahụ. Okay, tell me no, I did not, because we are running out of time.
I know.
Can you tell me no, I did not, because we are not, the class is about to be over.